Alright, hi guys, so this is Gauntlet, my submission for the Walrus and Tatum Hackathon. So yeah, basically Gauntlet is a survivor pool where you like pick players and based on targets set the players. If they exceed the target, you win prizes, and if they don't, you basically lose the funds you invested in them. So basically that's what it is. So how it works is you pick a player, you take a certain amount of seal, and when the match decides, take your cut if there is a cut. Alright, so I'm just going to run through the whole app here. Basically just a landing page. You go to pools, you see the various tournaments you're competing. So the World Cup, Premier League, La Liga, Champions League. You can also create your own pools. Those ones aren't active yet, so we'll not use that. We'll use this last 11 sample tournament I created. So there's no match day here yet. So I'll come onto the dashboard and create one. Alright, so I'm just creating this manually for now. After this, it's going to automate itself and like create match days and settle them basically. So I don't have to be here to do it. I'm just doing it so you can see how it works. I'll set this to 0.01 for now. And you see the roster. This is a roster of players which is stored on Walrus. And based on the type of competition, you can select the filters to get the different roster of players you want. So I'm just going to create this match pool. It's going to store the roster, store the match day details, and then ask me to verify and sign it. Alright, so I'm proving that. And then we have a match day pool. Alright, so now we can see the live screen. We can like simulate what's going to happen in this match day. Alright, so yeah, we can put this pool into the autonomous system so it runs on its own. I just said that so you can have that on our own. So here also have the another user account which I signed in here. If you go to pools, you see last 11, you see one of the pools that was created, the entry is 0.01 C, and you have to pick a player. So you can pick any amount of players you have, so as you have the money to back them up. So I'm just going to pick, let's say, De Bruyne, elite midfielder. So these players have like weights based on how good they are and how likely they are to meet the targets. Okay, so based on the weights, the amount of returns you get from using that player or picking that player differs. All right, so I'm just going to pick De Bruyne, Haaland, and let me see who's down here. Let's see Ronaldo. Okay, let's say Bruno Fernandes. All right, so I'm going to the other account here and also see. Let me see if I can pick another set of players. So these are different accounts. So let's see. Rodri. Let's pick Rodri. Alright, let's pick Rudiger, for instance. Then probably pick Ronaldo or Messi. And then let's pick Ronaldo. Alright, so yeah. So now let's set the automation. I'll roll this into the automation system. Let's set it so it locks it after 30 seconds. So let's say 10 seconds. Okay, so if you start the loop, it's going to run for 10 seconds and then lock this pool. So if it locks it, no one can mint a pass again. Alright, so yeah, let's see. Okay. Alright, so you can see the notification here, the pool is locked, and you see like we have kickoff in so and so seconds, 13 seconds currently. The pool is locked. So let's go to the live page so you can see. Also go to the live page here so you can see what's going on. So kickoff in 3 seconds. Yeah, you can see that here. So we're simulating this match day. The AI agent's going to like manage the stuff. So yeah, let's see. So it has kicked off. I just have to like prompt it to like start there. So yeah, it has kicked off and it is currently running. So once it's done running, it's going to publish the results and settle it. So as you can see, the live sim is going through. You can choose to play the full match, but for this video I will not do that. Alright, so after the whole match has gone through, you see who and who survived based on the stats and the results of the match. Okay, so let's see. Load that and see. Alright, so the pool has settled as you can see here. Alright, so it has settled as you can see here. So what we need now, alright, so it has settled. So now we're basically waiting for the settlement on chain. So it has been settled on chain. So now you can withdraw based on how your player has performed. Okay, so let's look at this. Rodri and Rudiger survived. Where was it I picked that didn't survive? I picked Ronaldo didn't survive. So I have 0.202 CU to withdraw. The platform takes like 10% of the amount there. So approve. And since it's automated, it's going to like create another pool and wait for people to start buying before it tries to close it. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to withdraw 0.4 here. Let's see. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Okay, so withdrawn. You can see that here, cashed out, cashed out, cashed out. So here, I think it's going to launch another pool. Let's go back and check. Live. So you can see created another pool for match day 2. This is open, and it won't close it until someone buys and the timer goes off. So yeah, so another pool is just currently open. So let's say you're testing it, you can see that. Then tournament, you can also see the pool here. Alright, so the data here from players is stored on Walrus. We also have the results being stored on like after everything is done and settlement occurs. You can also see cash outs here, who has cashed out. Alright, so you can see who cashed out now. These are the guys that cashed out from this game, the 0.505 SU. So yeah, that is basically it for Gauntlet. It's very cool if you can try to play it and see what happens. So yeah, thank you for watching, and try out Gauntlet at gauntletkappa.vessel.app. You can see the URL here, so you can connect your SU wallet and give it a try. Thank you.